Hello viewers, this is Shimul here to welcome you to this channel. First of all, thanks for click this video. In this video, I will show you how to show, edit or delete Google Chrome saved password. If this video is useful to you, then don't forget to hit the like button and help me to grow this channel by subscribing me. So let's start the video. First open Google Chrome browser. Then click on the three dotted option at the top right corner in the browser. Then click on settings. Now click on the passwords option. I am clicking on this. Then scroll down. You will see all of your saved password in this page. If you want to show any password, then click on the I button. You will be asked for your computer password. Then type your computer password here. I am typing my computer password. After that, click on the OK button. Then you will able to see the saved passwords. If you want to edit this password, then click on the three dotted option and click on edit password. Then type your computer password and hit enter. Now in the password box you can edit the password. Then click on save button. The password has been changed. If you want to remove a saved password from here, then click on the three dotted option and click on the remove button. I am clicking on this. You can see this saved password has been removed. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end and bye for now.